Hi, I'm Aishwarya and I'm from Punjab, India, and I'm studying in Melbourne campus of IHNA. And I chose Melbourne because I wanted a place that is safe, structured, and has a clear pathway in healthcare. For me, nursing made sense because of the kind of person I am. I believe in looking after myself mentally, physically, and spiritually. And when you're steady in those areas, you naturally bring a positive energy into any space you go. Nursing gives you a real opportunity to use this energy to help people who are vulnerable and in need. It allows you to be present for someone, just not by doing tasks, but through intention, compassion, and the way you show up. It's one of the few professions where you can go beyond the bare minimum. You follow the rules and do the right things, of course. But you can also go out of your way to make someone feel safe and cared for. That requires compassion for sure, and for me, that's an innate quality. That's exactly why I chose nursing. And I chose IHNA because I didn't want to feel lost in a big system. The classes are small, the trainers actually know your name, the labs feel realistic, and the timetable is manageable. It's practical, supportive, and it matches the way I learn. The first weeks as an international student can be overwhelming, but IHNA kept it simple. Orientation was clear, staff was very approachable, and meeting classmates from different countries made settling in a lot more easier. My turning point happened during an SPT session. It was on a wound dressing using aseptic technique. It wasn't dramatic, just a normal assessment. But I remember maintaining sterility, organizing my field correctly, communicating with the patient, explaining each step and focusing on safety and comfort. And it all felt very natural. My trainer said, yes, that's safe and the correct technique. A simple comment, but that shifted a lot. I walked out thinking, okay, I can actually do this for a real patient. What keeps me going is the community, classmates from all backgrounds, supportive trainers, and a study routine that fits real life, and also the fun way of teaching by the educators. I love how they bring real life examples into the practice, which actually makes the practice so much more fun and interesting. After my diploma, I'm aiming to work in a hospital ward, generally a general med ward. Right now, I'm focusing on building stronger practical skills, learning as much as I can during placement, and preparing myself to become a confident and compassionate nurse. And also planning on doing a pathology course because that will also help me in taking bloods as a nurse, which can expand my horizon of practice. And if you're an international student wondering whether you can start over in another country, you can. You don't need to know everything. Just take the first step. Just ask a question, reach out, explore the campus. Clarity comes as you move. If nursing is something you feel called to, this is a good place to begin.